Oh my God.
She wants Lego. Oh, she says they're blocks.
Wow.
She goes, is he one of those kids that just takes out the stuff and puts a bucket on his head?
Can I open this one now?
Alright, move. Tell mommy to move so daddy can get something.
Open it. Look at
Go!
Open it.
Fernando.
Go!
Oh, it's okay.
A bike! I always wanted a bike.
Move, kid. Move.
That's the girliest bike I've ever seen.
Look at daddy.
Not bad.
Wait, look at daddy. Don't move.
Say thank you to Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Why do you smile like that? No, talk to her. She's gonna watch this up here. No, up here. Look, pretend Nana's in here.
Here, Fernando.
Thank you, Nana.
No, say thank you, Nana.
Thank
Okay.
you, Nana.
Tata.
And Tata. You suck at this kid.
Now what? Like that, but you get off? You want the rest of your gifts? Or you just gonna stay? Okay. Don't fall.
Now the baby wants a bike.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna open that right now.
Hey, Gabby.
You have to wait. Open the other gifts. Go open the other, your other ones.
This one's from me. Hold on, let me look up.
Here, this one's from Winchy. Here, open this one.
Hey, guess what? Anna, when I was organizing the gifts for them, this one wanted to open a present, and I found one present in there for him. It was funny. He started ripping it. You have to open the box.
What is
It's
it?
an enthusiasm, right?
What is it? Dinosaurs!
Oh. Let me see, Gabby. What did you get?
Oh my god.
Oh, dinosaurs.
Thank you, Winchy.
Show it. Show the camera. Oh, that's nice.
More.
That's yours.
Was it an elephant?
Open another one. Open another gift. You want to open this one? Why did it make it so hard to open? So,
Hey, this one's mine too, from you.
We're dropping the presents.
look, here. Fernando, open this.
Who's that from?
Okay, open this.
Gabby.
From Nana Tata.
Who gave you that?
Open. From you.
Okay, from me.
Who-
Ariel!
Flip it upside down. There you go.
Show me.
What is it?
It's nice.
What else is in there?
Open it. Open it. Okay, wait.
Chocolates.
What is it?
Okay, what else is in there? Look. Look it. It's Ariel baby. It's a sleepy gown, so it matches your gown. You get a sleepy gown, and Ariel has a sleepy gown.
Man, this sucks. I can't even set all this stuff up after work.
Okay, this one to you from Winchy.
Fernando, what did you get?
Was that one from Nana?
No, for
Nana?
me.
No, the other one.
Yeah.
From Tata and Nana.
This
This
one's
is
from
mine
Sophia.
too.
Yeah.
This one's
That one's from
Wanna open
Petey and Joe.
Fernando?
Okay.
But that one's from Theo Winchy.
Here, open this one. That's from Nana and Tata. I mean, from Sophia. Fernando.
He's busy.
What is interesting is
That
something.
one has, you can buy other cars at the stores. Add to the technology. It's supposed to keep track of what's there.
Okay, I'll open the bicycle right now, but open this gift first, and then I'll open it,
What
okay?
else does it have? A car?
Okay?
Yes, one. I like it.
Let me see. Let go.
Who's that from again?
Open this right here.
Joe and
What is it?
okay,
Oh, this is Toy Story!
I'm getting a better show with the baby.
What?
Why?
Because Gabby's just like next, and the baby's excited at everything.
Toy Story!
I like it.
Oh my god, that's awesome. How'd she know?
I like
Show
butter.
Daddy.
I like butter.
Go
Oh.
open the other gift so first, and then you
I
can
have everything Ariel now, huh?